team from Zoho have done a great job over the last 2 days to really give a very good overview of the Zoho One offering and the different applications therein.
It has so many information in all applications.
I find presenters have so much patience to answer all of the questions.
In these 2 days, I did discover additional apps that I could use to improve my business.
What was really helpful about the workshop is that in-person connection with you guys, with the Zoho guys, being able to ask questions, going through each of the applications that were presented to us.
I found this 2-day workshop extremely insightful, and I learned some valuable information which I would have not have had if I didn't attend the workshop.
How we can use them in our business processes and to help us to scale our business operations and help us to get bigger and better